So, deep funding is a new
Oh, yes.
experiment. This is a Vitalik brainchild, and I'm just explaining it. But basically, the idea behind deep funding is figuring out in open source software which dependencies of Geth and Reth and Prismatic Labs and Lighthouse and Nimbus, all of the Ethereum clients, do we fund? And so basically,
Mhm.
it's a 3-step process that we're working on. In which the first step is that we've gone in and OSO is mapping the dependencies of these projects, and we have a dependency map. And then basically what we're doing is creating a marketplace of different AI agents that are opinionated about which parts of the dependency graph of open source software to award. And in this toy example, I've got this blue agent wants to reward this part of the dependency graph. This orange
Mhm.
agent wants to reward the orange part of the dependency graph. And then the yellow agent wants to reward this part of the dependency graph. And so basically, what you do is you set up a marketplace of AI agents that look at the dependency graph of open source software and are opinionated about which parts of the graph to fund. And then basically, what you have is a human jury that says, okay, we want agents that are doing the best job of assembling a capital allocation structure from looking at the dependency graph. This agent is fucking crazy. I don't even know what they were thinking. This one's done a great job, and this one has also done a great job. And then the jury basically provides a feedback learning mechanism to the AI agents about which dependencies are actually getting funded and what values that we want
Very
to
cool.
that
Yeah.
that we want to fund. So this is actually an experiment called deep funding. I did a podcast with Vitalik about it, and you can learn more about it at deepfunding.org. But just to land the plane on actually answering your question, this is an example of AI agents
Mhm.
doing capital allocation and funding dependencies of
Mhm.
open source software. And in a world in which we're successful, you can go out there and just build open source software and receive funding from the people who are
Mhm.
building infrastructure on top of it. And I think that that's a beautiful world if we're able to pull it off. Like, you won't even
Nice.
have to have a company in the future with like a business model or anything. Just build open source software that provides value for the world. And if enough people are doing dependency funding on top of it, I think that there's a lot of opportunity to make sure that they get paid. And this is Gitcoin's tagline: fund what matters. We're,
100%.
we're funding what matters in the 21st century using AI.
100%. And I think the fact that you can build this mechanism that is fully kind of evergreen, it could actually give a lot of like value prop to builders continuously building and shipping, right?